Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to learn how to create a table view or a list view in SwiftUI. So let's start with the project. I have already created a project. So first of all, we have to create a list. You just have to write this type of list. Okay, this one create you a list for you, and in the list section you have to show some items. For that, for item showing, you have to create a for each loop, which we are going to create. So in for each loop we have to have an array of some elements. I already have an array which I am using in this section. So I am using mock data dot frameworks. You can create your array by yourself, which you want to use. Okay, so in frameworks we are using framework, and for that, okay, here you can see it's resolved the issue which we are using. So in this list we need an item for that, which you are going to show for that. So I already created an item, so you can create a just simple text for that. So we can just first focus on the text which we are going to show. So here you can see when we just write down a text and uh, like write hello, so it will just show hello multiple times, which the data in mock data.framework.have. So we are not using that one. We are using another view that we already created, which is a framework title view, and we are sending a framework here. So here you can see it's showing a list of all the items which you have in your mock data.framework. Also, we don't need to use a scroll view for that. We don't need to use any other thing to just write this showing for that. So if you want me to create a title here, so we have to put that in navigation stack. So we are using navigation stack and put the list into navigation stack. So after that you have to write a navigation title, and we will use frameworks. It's not showing the frameworks. Let me check why it's not showing. So yes, you have to write frameworks here. So when you just scroll up for that, the title goes up, and when you scroll down for that, it's showing the framework down with a complete view. So that's all for today's video. Hope you learn a new thing, which is a listing or a table view in UIKit. So that's all for today. If you need more videos related to SwiftUI and UIKit in iOS, feel free to comment down below and we will create a new video for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Happy coding!